Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating another one of my signature full system conversions, wherein I convert the radio to modern electronics, and I also convert the 8-Track for best possible sound through the radio. With this type of setup, the 8-Track uses the converted radio's modern amplifiers for much better sound. So let's go ahead and check her all out. I've got it set to AM at the moment. Oh, and this comes from Bob in Lisbon Falls, Maine, and this is one of 2 jobs that Bob has sent me from clear across the country. So thank you for that, Bob. That's pretty cool. And Bob's requested just the basic conversion with no fancy features like Bluetooth or anything like that. So let's go ahead and fire it up. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the 1 strong station I receive, so we can demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for stealing someone's music. So let's turn it up. Got it set to AM.
Enjoy warm, nutritious meals right at their doorstep. A contribution to the...
Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to activate and adjust the virtual front-rear fader and the left-right balance control. It's all done using the tone control. And to activate the front-rear fader, you give it 2 quick turns to the right. To activate the left-right balance, you give it 2 quick turns to the left. So I'm going to demonstrate this right now. Front-rear fader.
Becoming Led Zeppelin, rated PG-13. Family adventure comedy, Paddington in Peru. The fader adjust.
Okay. All the way
A
front.
drama family biography,
All the way
The
rear.
Unbreakable Boy, rated
Front.
PG. The
Rear.
animated family
Okay, I'm
adventure,
center.
Mufasa, The Lion King. The horror fader set. R.
Okay, left-right balance.
Captain America, Brave New World. Balance adjust.
Okay.
Rated R,
All the way left.
companion. Drama,
All the way right.
complete unknown.
Left.
That's your KQ&A Quick Flick.
Okay.
With a check of what's playing now at your local center. Balance set.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and since the leftmost button forces AM mode, we only have 4 FM presets, so let's turn it to FM.
Can I tell you a cat joke?
Set 102.1 rule.
It's as easy as going to Father.
Okay, let's try the 8-Track.
Tweedledum, Tweedledee, she's looking for a luscious. My heart goes pitter-patter 'cause
Okay, end of the song here.
the way she got her name. Take me by the hand to shame.
Tape out radio comes back. Let's check the dial light, and you can see it. You can see that dial flashing on and off when I press and release the button. So we're good to go. She's ready to go back, and I'm probably ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the homepage of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because those will all already be in the work order, and it'll answer your questions as you're filling it out. And this keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. I don't really get anything done on the phone, obviously. You're welcome to talk to me. I'm perfectly happy to talk to you once you've got that work order printed out and you already know my prices and options and all that. And so it's perfectly okay to call me just to get to know me and trust me a little bit. But as far as answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer, I'm just not able to do that anymore. It just keeps me off the bench too much. So please do that research before calling me. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, Bob, for your second job clear across the country from Lisbon Falls, Maine. And we'll see you next time.